Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my Boxy charm and my Topbox unboxings. These are actually both for March and not April when this is coming out. Also, I have this. This is from an order that I placed for a really cheap stuff from Boxy charm. It's not cheap stuff, it's just was really inexpensive because I had like a pop-up sale. So what should I do first? Honestly, let's just do the Boxy charm first. So this is March's Boxy charm. So let's just dive right into this. So for any of you that don't know, Boxy charm has gone up, and my Boxy charm's Canadian now is 42 something per month. So yeah, so this is what the pamphlet looks like. It's really cute. It's called Boxy charm, and then it's called Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. So that was Women's History Month was last month. So the first thing in here I'm going to see is, if I'm not mistaken, this is from Oprah. This is called the Mini Mix Palette, and this is Charm Your Cheeks. And let's look at this. I don't own a lot of stuff from Oprah, just a bit, but this looks really cool. So I guess this is all cheeks. Oh, how to use. You can actually apply these wet or dry with the powder for blush or powder for a sun-kissed look. Swipe across the bridge of your nose. Okay, so those are what those is. That's really pretty. I definitely like this palette. I'm excited for this. I don't have a lot of blush palettes. Even if I don't use this as a blush palette, the colors are really, really nice. So those three colors are the bottom three ones. So that's really, those are really nice. That's definitely more of a bronzer. I don't know if this one will be very nice for my skin tone as a blush, but that's definitely something I would use as an eyeshadow. So that's really cool. So the Oprah Cosmetics cheek palette is a $39 palette. So that's pretty good. So then up next, this is a very heavy box this month. I guess I can tell why it's this as heavy as it is. I'm just gonna leave this down here and I'll pull things out. So I'll grab this here, and this is from Style Dry. It's called Style Dry. This is a coconut and fig hair mask with coconut oil and marula butter. I don't know about this brand. If you have seen this channel a time or two with any of my unboxings, you know that if it's not a salon brand, I probably won't be putting it on my head, but I've never heard of this. So this is a $16.95 hair mask. There's a thing on it. I'm not gonna be able to smell it. So chances are for that price, it's definitely not salon brand, but I mean, I could be wrong. These are also American prices, so everything that the price thing says that it is, that's the American price. So something like this in Canada would be more than $34 or $39. But there's that. If you guys have tried this, let me know if you like it in the description below, or I mean in the comments below. I don't really know. I love hair masks. It's one of the things that I use weekly because being a hairdresser, I do a lot with my hair. So yeah, but I will look up that and see if it's decent and maybe give it a go. Then I have this here, and this is from Faceology, and this is the detoxifying treatment mask. So this is a supercharged treatment for your skin, designed with next gen Korean technology to support a miracle blend of ingredients. It's a peel off mask that draws imperfections, boosts elasticity, smooths out bumps with nourishing and protecting your skin. Yeah, so you're apparently supposed to leave this on for 30 minutes. Okay. I don't even know if I'm going to take this out of the container. chances are I'm not using this. I don't, oh, that's a really interesting container. So this is like this is kind of feels like metal. I dislike ones that you have to peel off. I only like sheet masks, so I'm not gonna actually open that. This I might give to my sister because she would like something like this. This is a, holy this is $69? That's insane. What brand is this? Like, this is crazy. I've never even heard of this brand. Whoa, I'm not even, that's insane. Yeah, right. Like, that's actually, people actually buy this for 69 bucks? Yeah, okay. I mean, whatever. All right. So what next is this, and this is the Vike Gentle Oil Makeup Remover Spray with skincare. Okay, so it's called Makeup Melt on it. What the heck is this? It says directions. Spray onto dry skin for eye makeup removal. Apply to closed eyes and massage. Oh, so this is a makeup remover. So it's probably like one of those like creams that melt away your makeup. That's kind of interesting. I will definitely have to try that. That's cool. This is $24. And then the last thing in here is from Earth Harbor, and this is, I think it's called Nymph Nectar. This is a super fruit radiance balm. This is what it looks like. I think there's a thingy on it. Yeah, I'm not gonna open that. This is a really cool, interesting looking package. Earth Harbor is really good. This is, so it's just a cream. Okay, so it's not bad. This is $38. So, I mean, that makes more sense than this. But, yeah, I'm definitely keeping this. Love this. I cannot wait to put this on my face. This I'm probably keeping just because, why not? This I'm excited to try. So, out of these things, I think I'm keeping 3 of them, which isn't bad usually for BoxyCharm. I usually can't stand everything. I will, however, try this if it is, I'll use it if it's a salon brand. If it's not, I'm a little weary about that. And then this, I don't really know. I mean, the price of it's insane, but I don't like peel off masks. So I don't know. I really don't know about that one. All right, so everything in this box costed this much money, which is pretty awesome for this month. All right, I'm just gonna jump right into this box here. This is stuff I ordered, and I'm just gonna give you a sneak peek of what it looks like. So everything in here I paid for, but at a low cost. So I'm just gonna run through this fast. So there are these here, and these are from Spongilla. These are the sponges. If you haven't seen these before, they comes like this, and then this is a sponge with soap in it. And then what I do is when I go to use it, I'll cut it down into usually like 2 sections, and then it'll be like a heart, a heart, a heart. So like this will be about like 4 sections I'll cut it into, and then I'll put it in my shower, and it's just, you just rub it on your skin, and it exfoliates and it cleans. So it's a body wash. This one is in cinnamon honey, and then I picked up this one here. So this was a pack of 4 that I got, and I think honestly it was super cheap. I can't remember what it was. And this is in sugar plum, and then this one is in winter rose, which I'm not too sure what winter rose is, but you can't really smell them through the package. You like when I can smell a little bit. This one's very like nice and musky, but like until you open up the actual like plastic. And this one's autumn bloom. So yeah, I'm excited for these. And then I got one last thing in here, and I picked this up because it was $12 American, which is, doesn't matter how expensive it is Canadian, because it is cheaper and bigger than the minis you can get here in Canada. So this is a Cupid palette from Natasha Denona. And this is what it looks like. So exciting. I really love these colors. I have a miniature one of the pink palette, and I love it. So when I saw this, I was very excited. There was one other one for $12 that I was gonna buy, but it has like the weird pink and blue in it. If I could put a photo, find a photo and put it up. But I wanted to get it, but then I realized that I don't think I'd used 2 of the colors, and honestly, the rest of the colors are kind of the same neutrals as I have some other Natasha Denona palettes. So yeah, I decided not to get it, but I'm really excited to try this one out. All right, so that was everything from BoxyCharm, and I'm just gonna jump right into Topbox again. I'm doing these together because I don't want like one 3-minute video, but let's open this up and see what's in here. So you're getting your first sneak peek at this. I don't know what's in here. Oh, that's Alicia Keys. Discover the Soul of Beauty, created by Alicia Keys. There's an Alicia Keys product in here. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. Okay, what is this? Is the I've been wanting to try if I could say her name, Alicia Keys products. So this is really awesome. This is the Keys Soul Care is what it's called, and then it's Comforting Balm with Rose of Jericho, Camilla seed oil. Okay, surround yourself with things that are good for you. Okay, fair. What is this for? I don't know what this is. Does it have directions, ingredients? Let me take a look at this. This is a cute little pot. So it looks like this. Apply generously to where the skin needs dryness relief. Oh, it's a face cream, I think. Oh, it doesn't really have too much of a scent, which is nice. Okay, well, that's really cool. That's probably quite expensive. What else do we have in here? We have this here, and I don't really know what this is. I think this is a complimentary sample, or maybe not. This is by whatever this brand is. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Nukes Bio. This is an organic cosmetics. This is a gift. Okay. Shoot, what is this? So this is what's in it. It's this little vial of something. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Ultimate Night Recovery Oil. Oh, that is literally 5 milliliters. I don't know if that's one of the actual products that's supposed to be in here. There's 3 more things in here, so that's probably just a free sample. And then there's Pharmex, and I don't know what this brand is. I've never heard of this before. This is Super Greens Multivitamin Moisture Cream and a Cooling Greens, or a Super Greens Cooling Gel. So these are, oops, I've ripped in the packaging. Oh well. Both little, are they both green? No, they're 2 different colors, and let's see what one. Neither one of them say what to do with either of them on their packaging. Ugh. I mean, on the outside of the packaging. Let's see. That's the only thing with Boxy or Topbox. Topbox doesn't give you like a pamphlet telling you what the heck the stuff is. It just tells you whatever. The Multi-Greens, Super Multi-Greens, is a moisturizer. You apply it after your serums, apparently. And then the other one says that you apply to skin after serums and skincare treatments. Use as a leave-on mask. Or 2 uses. So they're both cream. Okay. And then the last thing in here is from Clarins Paris, and this is this is a moisturizing mascara. Super Volume Mascara in Intense Black. Oh, it's pretty cute packaging. All right. Probably not going to use the mascara. Not sure if I'm going to use these. I'm definitely going to try out the Keys one. And then I'm not sure about these. Honestly, I think the only thing I'm going to keep is this right here. The Alicia Keys thing. So everything else is skincare. This is supposed to be like a makeup container, like a makeup beauty box. And we got 1 mascara. All right. Well, that was everything in this month's unboxing of my subscription boxes. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!